Morning students. In the previous class, we have completed exercise 9.2 questions. Now write the third question. Look at the given triangle and answer the following questions. So here one triangle is given. M, N, O. So first question is how many angles are there in the triangle? What are they? So how many angles are there here? 1, 2, 3. How many angles? 3 angles. Right there, 3 angles. So what are the angles? Angle M and O. Angle M N O. And next angle N O M. Angle N O M. And next angle O M N. O M N. Okay. This is the first one answer. Second one is what is the angle opposite to MN? So what is the angle opposite to MN? So MN is there. What is the opposite angle? Opposite angle is O. Angle O. Angle O. Right here. The angle opposite to MN is angle O. Where is the right angle in the given triangle? Where is the right angle here? Where is the right angle? Right angle means 90 degrees. That is here. So at vertex O. The right angle is at vertex O. Right. Next we have gone to the next topic, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what, ma'am? It has a closed figure formed by 4 line segments. It is formed by 4 line segments. Quadra means what? 4. Lateral means sides. Quadra means 4. Lateral means sides. So 4 sides means what do you call this one? Quadrilateral. Okay. See the page number 127. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Quadra means 4, lateral means side. Okay, write that one. So that is quadrilateral. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Quadra means 4. Lateral means sides. Okay. Draw this picture. Is called quadrilateral. So it is a polygon. It has a 4 sides. A, B, C, BC, CD, DA. Four sides is there, no? So that's why this picture is called a quadrilateral. And here AC and BD. What do you call AC and BD? Diagonals. Okay? What do you call AC and BD? Diagonals. And what are the sides for a quadrilateral? AB, BC, CD, DA. And what are the vertices are there? A, B, C, D. Okay, these are the vertices of the quadrilaterals. Okay, right? And what are the angles here? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So how many angles here? Four angles, four vertices, and four sides, and two diagonals. So after you finish this one, draw the picture and write from here, page number 127. See here. Look at the figure is there, no? Don't write that one. After that, you have to write all the four sides. Pencil. See here, all the four sides is there, no? All the four sides of a quadrilateral may be equal or not. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. Four line segments AB, BC, CD and DA are called its four sides. And angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are its four angles. Points A, B, C and D are its vertices. Up to here you have to write. And next page. This line, first line you have to write. The line segments AC and BD are called its diagonals and represented as AC and BD. So first line you have to write. Okay? Come on, write now. Right now. Circle. Circle is in the shape of a round shape is there, no? So that shape, a round shape is called a circle. Okay. See here. So these shapes are round shapes. So it is called a circle shape. Okay. Next, observe a cycle wheel and measure the length of each spoke. Each might conclude that the length of each spoke is same. Observe the cycle wheel. Cycle wheel is a round shape is there now, and at middle here some lines are there like this. Wheel. In a wheel, they are having some lines are there now. Okay. So, measure the length of these lines. They will be same. They will be same. Okay. So, these lines are same. So, what do you call the point? Here, center point is in a, what do you call this one? Center point. What do you call? Center. And next, length of curve H is called circumference. You will find the length of this line, no? So that is called circumference. What is the word? Length of the line? Circumference. Okay. And next, and the distance from the center to any point on the circle is the radius. Distance from center to any point on the circle. So from center to here, this is the radius. From here to here, this is the radius. Okay. So from center point to any other point on the circle is called radius. Did you understand, children? So center, what is this called? Center. Okay, and next from distance between center to any point on the circle is called radius. And the length of the line is called circumference. Okay. So here so many radius are there. So what you call singular is radius and plural is radii. So these are having so many lines are there. So what you call that one? Radius. So many radii are there. Okay. And next. Suppose we are drawn a circle like this. This is the center O. This is point A, this is point C. Okay. So here how many lines are drawn on the circle? Two lines, AD and CD. Okay. And next, what is called the distance between the line joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. Okay. What do you call this one? The line joining the 2 points on the circle. Here 2 points joining this line, no? So chord. Here also 2 points joining the line. So that's why these two lines are called chord. But here AC is passing through center point O. AC is passing through center point O. So that's why this line segment is called what you call diagonal. Sorry, diameter. Diameter. So the line segment passing through the center point 0 is called diameter. Okay, the line joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Okay. Now put the heading circle. Circle. Put the heading circle. You can draw a circle like this. Draw with bangle or anyone. Okay, draw a circle. And here put the center bow. A, B, C. Okay, put the heading circle and draw this circle. And next, see here, page number 128. See here, the point in the middle is the center, and the length of curved edge is called circumference. And the distance from the center to any point on the circle is the radius. O is the center, OA, OB, and OC are radii. Okay, up to here, right? Radii. From the point నుంచి ఇక్కడ రేడియా వరకు రాయి. See here. The point is there now. Can you whisper me? ఇక్కడ నుంచి కనిపించట్లేదా? Okay, if you are finished means next one. Put the heading chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Put the heading this one, chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Put the heading and write from here. A line segment joining the 2 points on the circumference of the circle is called a chord. Up to here. Okay. And next, put the heading diameter. This one. Put the heading diameter and write from here. A chord which passes through the center of a circle is called diameter. Up to here, you have to write. Okay.